How's it going? Hello there. Thanks for tuning into my channel. I'm exploring another alpine lake thanks to my new accessory. This hypershell exoskeleton is allowing me to reach new heights. So I'm going to be hiking up to 7,200 feet. It's October, it's cold, and I'm just ahead of a storm. There's going to be probably snow tomorrow. So I'm hoping the fish will see that as an opportunity to gorge themselves before it gets too cold. But it's absolutely beautiful up here, and it's not a super long hike, but enough to where I've got all my stuff in the backpack. I've got the hypershell, and I got provisions, a couple fly rods, and hopefully get into some fish. But I heard good things about this lake. Beautiful so far. All right, we'll see you on the lake. I should mention, if you enjoy videos like this, consider subscribing. It is free, helps out the channel, and I post quite a bit, whether it's short form content, inspirational, or educational, all to do with fly fishing. So thanks in advance. We have arrived. Oh yeah. Wow, that is a great looking lake. I mean, wow. Bigger than I thought it was going to be too. All right, I think I'm finally ready to launch. Getting a little faster doing this, but you know, being new to this hiking slash alpine lake fishing, I'm a little slow. See if I can do this without hurting myself. That would be really nice. Oh. Nope. Ooh. Need to put this back a little bit. There we go. Put my stuff securely on the bank. Oh. All right. Let's see. I think I'm sitting on my apron. Of course, the only log I'm about ready to crash into. All right, I think I'm going to start off with, already fallen off. I was going to start off with a black Scopezilla, and I'm going to throw it against the bank. Got the other rod with a great big sink tip on it, but I want to give this a go first. Hopefully these fish are hungry. All right, I tried that for about 10 minutes, didn't get anything, so I'm gonna paddle over to the leeward side over there of the wind. So I'm just gonna drag my green balanced leech on a very heavy sink tip. Just take it for the ride. Make sure that that's looking the way it's supposed to. Yeah, looks like it. I don't know how deep this lake is, but I'm assuming it's pretty deep. Just a beautiful lake, though. And my first little tug. It's a good sign. Come on, fish. Another tug. appears that I have caught a stick. At least I know I'm getting down to the bottom. Hopefully that was not the tug that I felt earlier. Thank you, goodbye. I just had a massive hit. Dang. It was on the sink. That was a big fish. There we go. Nice. He came back. Nice. Sweet. Ate the balance leech. Nice. Nice little rainbow trout. I will happily take it. Stop for a second. Stop just a second. All right. Sweet. Man, just shows you how fast the weather can change when you're up here in the mountains. Oh my God. I mean, it went from decent, right, to the temperature dropped 10 degrees. The wind came up. There's like white caps starting to form on the lake. It's time for me to get going. And I'm frozen. I barely feel my fingers and it's starting to snow. But you know what? We caught a fish. And that is a bonus on a beautiful day. Well, the first half of the day is pretty beautiful. On a beautiful lake, fall colors abundant. Just super cool. Thanks so much for joining me. Until the next time, fish on. And how quickly does the weather change when you're up here in the mountains? Oh my God. I mean, it is coming in hot, windy, freezing. It's time for me to go. And you probably noticed I cut my finger. It just won't stop bleeding when you cut it in the cold. Man, it just, the whole day is just like blood everywhere. Gotta love that.